Hi, welcome to this brand new video of the sub account mastery course. So today we are moving ahead with the community module. Okay, so community plays a crucial role where you sell your paid courses or you're giving some course access, where you manage your community, right? Where you can interact with all your clients and all your students that you have within you and with your community, right? So to build a community, you can make courses or directly give the community access where they can post, and you can add them in chat groups and give updates about your insights or anything. So coming up for here on community, how you can create the course. The first step, if you are selling any courses or if you're giving some insights about your business or something through courses or through videos, how can you do that? So for that, you need to create courses. So coming up here on community, it will just redirect you to the courses part. You click here on create course. Okay, you just name a course as you can just name it whatever you want. I want to name it as course 1. Okay, course 1. I give the course description about what is actually the course about. This is a course about sub account mastery. Okay, mastery. Okay, so I can add images with via URL. I can edit whatever I want to edit in the description. Click on publish. Okay, course status you can make it publish. Upload a course banner image. I can just select one image. Okay, this is perfect for me. Okay, I want to move ahead with this, and you can just click on save. Okay, so once saved, it will just redirect you to the course content. Okay, so where you can upload different chapters of the courses or all the videos at a time in one chapter. So it depends on you. Okay, add new section. What does add new section mean? It is a chapter 1. Okay, so chapter 1, I can name it as chapter 1. Okay, and I click on save. So I can add different lectures in chapter 1. Okay, if I click here on add lecture, I want to upload any video via from my system through YouTube, Vimeo, Loom, assessment. You can even add assessment here. Okay, marks per question and everything. You can create and add questions. This is like a quiz type or questions. Okay, click here on text. You can add text also, content. All this you can do it. You can upload an image, PDF file, normal any doc file you have. Okay, it's suppose PPT docs and everything. If you have an audio file, you can upload it. Video Cipher is a third party tool that we use for for our security courses. Like if you don't want to allow your end users to screen record your courses or take a screenshot of it, then Video Cipher is the best tool you can use. And you can use link embedded. Basically, for any other link embed, you have direct URL or any code, you can use this here. Okay, so I just want to upload one video from my system. So let me just get it from my system. Okay, so I just take up my one video that I want to use for lesson 1. I select the status as published. I give a lesson description. This is the first lesson. If I want to attach more docs with it, I can use PDF, JPG. I can use it from here. Okay, I just click on save. Okay, I just forgot to give a name, lesson 1. Okay, and I can attach any sources. If I want to attach with it, like with the lesson, I can attach it. As of now, I will just save it. Okay, click on save. Okay, so I have just clicked on save and this chapter has come up. Okay, so chapter 1 published. Okay, and I have added my first lesson. If I want to add more lessons, how can I do it? I click on add lecture and come up here, select the videos I want to upload. Okay, I just select one random video of mine. Okay, I give it as lesson 2. Lesson 2. Okay, and it is uploading. I just need to wait for it to upload. So for compressing your video, you can use Vault also as an option we have given. Okay, so it compresses your video in smaller size. Doesn't affect the video quality just compress the this thing, the video, and it optimizes it. So I can just click as published. Okay, I give it a description as lesson 2. Okay, and I click on save, and the lecture will be saved in chapter 1. Okay, so it has come up here. So if I want to make this as 1, I can move ahead with that. Okay, so that's how you can even drag and drop the lessons up and down. Okay, and let's suppose I want to just make sure that people complete my lesson 1, and then only the lesson 2 comes up and open ups for them. So how do I do that? Okay, I just click here on this, and I just lock it, logged. Okay, I just click here on logged. I select the section as chapter 1, and I select the lecture as lesson 1. Okay, so what will this do? It will keep the lesson logged until and unless they don't complete this lesson 1 of the chapter 1 section. Okay, so I just click here on save, and it will be logged. Okay, it will just show me logged. Okay, so this is how it will show me log until and unless I don't complete my lesson 1 video. It won't open up for the lesson 2. So this is how you can use a drip system, where uh, after completing one video you want to allow the students to watch other videos. So that's how you can add on the videos, and for the chapters also you can do. I'll just show it for the chapters also. If I add one more chapter as chapter 2, okay, chapter 2. Okay, I click here on save. So chapter 2. So I just want to open up the chapter 2 until and unless people haven't completed my chapter 1. So I just click here on log. I click just select chapter 1, and I just select the lesson 2 as my last lecture. So until and unless they haven't completed my last lecture, this shouldn't open up. So this is how you can use it. Okay, logged, and you can click on drip also. So days after enrollment, specific date and time. So how does this drip system work? So if you want to open up the chapters after days of the enrollment, like after 10 days or 15 days, you can do it from 2 days. So it will just open up after the 2 days of the enrollment. Okay, and any specific date and time, you can do it. You can just select it from here, the date and time. Okay, click here on calendar, it will show you the date and time. So on that date and time, the this chapter will open up. So that's how you can use drip system also. And you can even draft the chapter from here if you want to, don't if you don't want to show it to your customers or your students, because any editing or anything is going on in that. So this is how you can use logged, drip system, and published. So that's how you can use your chapters to log. So if you want your students to watch the full chapter and then open up a second chapter, you can use this as a good feature for it. Okay, so this is once done. Course information, you just come up here and you just save it. Okay, and your course is ready. So this one of your course. Okay, you click here on courses, and this is your course ready. Okay, so accordingly you can even give the users the access of it manually also and through automation. In automations, I have showed you how you can use give the access manually. I'll just show you here in this video only. You just come up here in lead management. Okay, click here on contacts, and I want to give the access to this lead 3. So how do I do it? I click here on lead 3, come up here on community, click here on not enrolled, and click here on grant access. So this lead 3 will get the community access. Okay, so if I come up here on community, and if you just want to get a preview how does the course show, you can just click here on preview. Okay, and I'll just need to give the contact access also, John. Okay, let me just go to lead management, and I'll just give manually the access of it. Okay, so I have given this particular contact the access. So this is the course that has come up. I click here on course 1, and if I want to see the chapter 2, that doesn't come up. Okay, so until and unless I don't watch this my lesson 1, all this, and tick mark as complete, the lesson 2 doesn't open up. Okay, so if I click here on lesson 2, it will open up here. Okay, so if I just click here on mark as complete, okay, I just watch the video and I complete it, and I just refresh my screen. Okay, wait a second, let me just see if the chapter is lectures. Okay, logged. Okay, so it did not come up because I haven't added any lecture in it. Let me just add one lecture. Let me just upload one video. Okay, one random video I can just pick up. Uh, Okay, upload it. Okay, I've already used this in one of the lecture. Mm, I can use this. Okay, and it will just upload it. Until then, I can give the lesson description, lesson 3. Okay, and it has uploaded. No, yes, it has been uploaded. Click here on save. Lesson 3. Okay, click here on save, and lecture is saved. I just come up here and refresh it, so the lecture 2 will come up here. Okay, and it will, as I have marked this lesson 2 as completed, so that's the reason it has opened for me. Okay, and I just come up here on lesson 3 and I can watch my chapter 2. So until and unless I don't tick mark as lesson 2 as completed, the chapter 2 doesn't open up for me. So that's how you can use the lock system, right? So that's how you can list courses. Okay, in the upcoming videos I'll show you how you can create bundle courses. Okay, and we'll explore more about this courses section also in that upcoming video. So that's all for the video. Thank you.